So today we're going to have Jacob put on makeup for me. We've never done this, but Jacob has experience with some makeup.
A little bit.
Yeah. You used to model and you used to be into makeup and skincare a lot.
Yeah, that was a long time ago.
Okay.
So how do I do this?
I don't know, what kind of look you want to give me? You want to give me an everyday look or you want to give me some sort of event look?
I want to give you a natural look.
So an everyday natural look or monolid. It's all yours.
I don't know what I'm even looking at here. Do I have to start with primer?
I don't even have.
Oh. What do you usually start out with?
No, I'm not supposed to give you any tips.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you're just supposed to figure it out on your own, but you're already a step ahead because you know what primer is.
Do you have concealer?
I don't have concealer because I ran out, but this is the foundation that's my color right now. Don't turn it upside down because I mixed.
Which way?
Oh, don't turn it upside down.
Oh, shoot. I washed my hands.
Okay.
But I just touched my nose. Is that okay?
No, don't wash it.
No, I just went like this.
Oh my. Your germs are my germs.
I'm scared.
Right. You know what to do.
Okay. You have some cat hair right there.
A lot.
Oh, really? It's a lot?
Yeah, this dries fast. You gotta.
Oh, shoot. Why?
You're like.
This is scary.
It tickles. What if you do such a good job? I want you to do my makeup all the time.
How's that look?
Am I supposed to be looking right now? Aren't I supposed to do a grand reveal at the end?
Oh, is that how it goes?
Yeah, but then you can't see anything.
Okay. So you shouldn't look at the camera?
Yeah,
then?
I shouldn't. I shouldn't look at the viewfinder.
So what's this?
That's just another foundation.
What is it called? Makeup Forever? I've never used a powder before, so this is kind of new for me.
What have you used before?
I just used like BB cream and like primer and concealer and just BB cream. That's it. It was like super simple.
Why did you use makeup?
Why? I don't know. I thought it was fun when I was a kid.
How old are you?
Whoa, this is a different color. What the?
Is it too light or too dark?
It's like a different color. Whoa. Get a little more sauce.
You're not cooking. Why are you covering my eyebrows?
I'm not covering your eyebrows. I'm doing right above your eyebrows. Oh wait, I messed up. I'm looking too saucy.
You know what? I'm not gonna do the grand reveal thing because I need to look at the camera.
Oh boy. Oh shoot, I don't know if I did.
But I can't even see that well. So, okay, I'm not gonna leave any comments.
Okay.
Just do your work.
I'm gonna do lips last. Maybe now I can like put some color on your eyebrow. What's this called? Eyebrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the eyebrow pencil? This first. Oh, this is darker than I. Oh, wait a second. Maybe I'll draw some lines right here. Make it look like there's more hairs. Oh no, I can fix it.
Wait, should I look right now?
No, after I'm done.
Don't give me a Sanji eyebrow.
No, don't look at it. Let me do the brush and see how this turns out.
I can see your finger in my ear. Can I look?
I think I colored too much. It's like a little outside the lines. Whoa.
Okay. You're gonna use that now?
Okay.
You're gonna use that now?
Yeah. Why?
Okay, okay.
Oh wait, I should have curled it first. I just realized.
Can you curl it?
Is it too late? I think it's too late.
Okay, do whatever you want.
Hold on, I got some on your eyelid. Oh, I should have done your eye makeup too before doing this. Gonna use the Sweet Peach, and we're just going for just peachy right there.
It's sharp. It's for eyebrows.
Oh shoot. Because why is this so hard?
Yeah, because it's for eyebrows. It's
this one?
and pointy.
Okay, this is soft. This is hard. This is soft. So I'm using whatever this is called. Let me do the whole eyeball here.
Eyeball?
Do the outline of the eyeball.
Have you ever done eye makeup before?
No, this is my first time.
No, you never wore eyeliner or something?
I did once, but then I felt really emo. Because I think I put on too much.
You have a picture?
No, but like I wore eyeliner for the first time, and the day I decided to do it for the first time was when I went to church. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, wait. Close your eyes. I'm doing a good job.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
I've never used that color before.
Really?
Yeah.
I should be like Bob Ross. We're using just peachy because we like to have a light day, just be relaxed and think about the sweet peaches that we're about to eat. So now I want to do a little blend onto the bottom side of the eyelid. I want a little bolder on the bottom, so maybe I'll go with this summer yum color right there.
You have a good eye for color.
I do? So what we're doing here is we're creating some depth of color, so that way it's not one-dimensional when her eye makeup is not one-dimensional. So now, I'm pretty happy with that. We're gonna go with some eyeliner.
Oh boy. There's also two liquid kinds. One that's like a
Oh.
marker, and one that's like a felt tip, like a dip.
I used a marker.
Marker? You're gonna use liquid?
Yeah. I've seen these commercials, are kinda interesting. Got some ColourPop eyeliner. You gotta make those eyeline sharp enough to kill people. Because we gotta slay out here, you know what I'm saying? Oh shoot, this is sharp. Look at that. This is my first time doing this. Oh shoot. I might be doing a little too much, but we'll see. What if I just colored on your eyeball?
Oh, my eyeball?
Okay, open up. No, don't look at the camera. Open up.
Wait, it's still wet. I feel it's still
Oh,
wet.
you're supposed to keep your eye closed?
Yeah, because otherwise it'll just
Okay, let
stand.
me just work on this eye then.
It's a lot of eyeliner.
Really? What else do you usually put on?
Thin line.
Oh shoot. Putting a lot. You're about to look like a goth girl.
No, because my monolids will hide most of it. But if my eyelid starts folding, then yeah, that'll look goth. Are they even?
Yeah, I am. I gotta do this side a little more.
Wait, are the wings even?
No. Look at me. You know, now that I look at your eyes again, it looks like someone burned your eyes because the peach is like a burn.
Ew.
It's like, yeah, so I'm gonna put a little, maybe another color.
Is it even now?
Yeah, it's pretty good. This is going coconuts, and then I'm gonna use the nutty brown. That's a lot. It just like fell on your face too.
I thought this was a natural look.
Yeah, well, one thing led to another, and I'm not very good at this. Don't be afraid to make a mistake, just keep going with the flow.
What does Bob Ross say? Happy accidents?
Happy accidents. Look at me. Oh, okay, well, yeah, that's a lot more depth. I do look a little burned still, but you know what, we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, and now I think we do lipstick and call it a day.
What happened to my lashes?
Oh, where's the lash pen?
Oh my gosh.
You're putting a lot of volume on these lashes. Nice.
Okay.
We got every lash, except for these inner ones, but we did it, boys. Oh shoot, I got it on my hand.
So now what?
We're gonna do lipstick.
Okay.
I think we're gonna use like, it's like a bright red, more glossy than matte, because she still has that natural look, but then we just strayed away from it just a little bit, so. Oh yeah, this is like what I was going for, like some Sailor Moon action here. We're just gonna put it a lot on the bottom lip, and then she's gonna smack her lips. Like that. I think that's how you apply it, right?
This is the most I've ever put of that color.
Really? Yeah, I think I put too much. So I put a little too much. So what I'm gonna make her do is just kiss this napkin. Okay, let me see. Okay.
Nothing came off.
Nothing came off, but let me just see here. Okay. And that's it.
That's it?
That's it. What's that mean?
None of these? None of these?
What is that?
Like blush and contour?
Oh. Okay, let's try.
No, I think that's an eyeshadow.
And we're using this heart-shaped face blush thing. Ooh, it's powdery.
Careful.
That's
a lot. That's a lot.
She has good circulation on her face. Got healthy skin. We're done.
Oh, we're done?
Yep.
Okay.
What do you think?
Obviously.
What?
Eyeliner.
What?
The eyeliner is like, this one goes straight down, and this one goes like this way and stops. But you did a good job making my eyes look really big on camera.
Yeah, your eyes look really like happy.
Yeah. You did a good job for the monolid part. You can still see the color. I don't know what happened.
I have a monolid.
I don't know what happened here.
What?
It looks like I got like rug burn or something.
That's what I was saying.
This lip color is actually nice.
Yeah.
Except it's like crooked.
I do
A
my best.
wavy line, and then it's crooked up top, but not bad.
Yeah. Alright guys, that was makeup by hubby, and if you want some free makeup consultations, just call me at
Should I stay like this all day?
if you like it. I don't know if you like it. What would you rate it on a scale of 0 to 10?
What's 10?
10 being the best makeup that you've ever done, not you've ever seen, and then 0 being this is the worst makeup ever. Like, just never do it again.
I would say it's a 5 out of 5. 5 out of 10.
5?
5 out of
10?
Yeah.
I did that bad.
On a scale of me, my best ever attempt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Why do I have like a random arch right here, and then my eyeliner ends at different points?
Yeah, but how do you feel? How does it make you feel?
What's going on here, huh? Do you see that?
Where?
Do you see my lash line? Is it still naked?
I don't know.
Like all that.
I see it.
Do you
now.
still think you should get more than 5 out of 10?
I think so. I should get at least a 6.
Thank you.
Mm.
See, it doesn't rub off. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.